Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.6 on Ubuntu 24.04. So first open the default browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to PostgreSQL official website, it is postgresql.org. See here at the time of making this video the latest release is 18.6. Click on download or click on download, both are same. Then click on Linux, then click on Ubuntu. See here the PostgreSQL apt repository currently supports the versions of Ubuntu 26, 24 and 22. Okay, I am on Ubuntu 24, but the installation process is same all. Now we have to run these commands one by one. Now open terminal, go to this manual repository configuration, run these commands one by one. See, it is going to install :ca certificates. If both are not installed, then remaining two commands will import the repository. Okay, so run these commands one by one. See, say certificates is already newest version, so it is going to install. Type and hit enter. Control A. Now import the repository key. Now we have to create this file and add this text. Here instead of code name we have to give the Ubuntu code. For Ubuntu 24.04 it is novel. You can also verify the same /etc os-release. See, its Ubuntu code name is novel. Okay, here we have to replace this resolute with novel. Okay, so first create this file, copy this entire path with the file name, sudo control L sudo vi, paste it, hit enter, press I to insert mode. So copy first two lines, paste it, then copy, then novel -pg dg, hit enter, then copy next to three lines. Escape :wq exclamation. Now we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update. It is done. Control A. Now install PostgreSQL Server. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL -18. If you want to install 17, give 17. It is up to you. Then hit enter. See, it is going to install these additional packages, suggested packages and these new packages. See, here we have the PostgreSQL Server 18. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed, and see here the default values: max connection set 100, shared buffer size 128 megabytes, time zone. This is the time zone based on my machine settings, and this is a data directory. Okay, so control A, verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL Server is active and running and its service is enabled. Quit. Control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL Server, but this is not the version of the PostgreSQL Server. It is PSQL client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 18.6. Quit. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL Server is we have to set the password for the Postgres user, which is the super user. So first we fill list of users that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is having super user and other roles. Okay, so we don't know the password of this user, so set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password, then provide the password. See, alter means go alter user or alter load statement executed successfully. Okay, next we will create database, and in that we will create a table. So first verify list of databases by using \l. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. If you took it, you can also get the list of the databases by running select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the default databases. Now create database. See, we have created database, and this is the amount of the database. If you took it, switch to this new database and create a table. So switch to database, we have to use \c or \connect, then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. \dt. See, we don't have any tables. Create table. See, we have created table customer in public schema, and this now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user. Create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Here David8123 is the password. See, you have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL Server with this new user. To exit, we have to use \q PSQL -h means host name. Localhost is fine because PostgreSQL Server is installed on this one. -u must be caps. Then username is David. -d means database Postgres. We have to provide this password. As I told you, whatever it is in singular double quotes, that is the password. Okay. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have logged into the PostgreSQL Server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, we have successfully connected to database bank with the user David. Now try to run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission error for table customer, because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart PostgreSQL Server 18.6 on Ubuntu operating systems. We can't stop or start with this PostgreSQL Server. So exit, sudo systemctl control stop PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL Server is inactive or dead. We have stopped it 7 seconds ago. We took it. You can also verify the same by trying to connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect. Okay, so start it again. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL Server is active. We have started it 1 second ago. We took it. We want to restart. Sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL Server is restarted. Okay. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL Server by using ASQL client. You can also connect PostgreSQL Server by using pgadmin or dbver. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Ubuntu operating systems. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.6 on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay. For more database or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.